Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Westgate timeshare within 5 days. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel Westgate timeshare contract via phone call. In this method, you need to dial 800-35-10461 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. Once you will be connected to one of the representatives of Westgate Timeshare. Tell them that you want to cancel your Westgate timeshare contract. Follow the steps as directed by them and cancel your contract or service. And you're done. Make sure to ask for confirmation proof of cancellation. Method 2. Cancel Westgate timeshare by draft a cancellation letter. A well-written cancellation letter is key to successfully ending your timeshare contract. The letter should clearly state your intent to cancel the agreement and include all necessary details to identify your contract. Use formal language and include the following information: your full name and contact details, the date of purchase and contract number, a clear statement of your intent to cancel within the rescission period, any additional details requested in the contract. Example of letter format you can see on your screen. Send the letter to Westgate Timeshare nearest club. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method, you can easily cancel your Westgate timeshare contract within 5 days. So if this video will helpful, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.